I'm at the new place, far from being set up to work. I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff started. Working on a 95 Impala. Did a quick walk around on this one a while back. Finally gonna get to tearing it down. So let's get a new carpet, floor mats, front two seats. Get a refinish the dash, install a double den. That's gonna be cut out there. Double den kit. Went ahead and started running 3 different sets of RCAs. It's front, rear, and subwoofer. Suede headliner, sun visors. Got the power wire up under the hood. Still got to add the fuse block, fuse holder, and attach it to the battery. Go ahead and get some of that odd and stuff done today. Went ahead and snuck the new 6x9s in. They're installed. Yeah. Let's clean it up. Stereo that's going in here. We got a JL 4-channel, little Scar audio, sub and amp. I don't know where you want to put this little prefab box. I'm funny about being symmetrical. I hate to put it off to one side, which it doesn't look like it fits to the side very well anyways. If I was to push it over, it's going to be in the way of the hinge. Maybe I'll get back here and get some ideas. If it'll sit up on top of this hump, I can maybe make a board across here, mount some amps, mount an amp on one on each side, smaller amp with the battery on one side. So maybe that'd be nice if I could work that out where that would sit in the center, back as far as it'll go. That's my best idea so far. Owner, if you had any other ideas for it, let me know. Other than that, it's just going to be sitting in the middle of the trunk. It will sit in between the hump and this decent, but it'll really be sitting in the center. Alright, just wanted to get a video of this before I started tearing it down. So I'm going to pull this thing out and pull the carpet and headliner. I'll come back soon, get a clip from there on. Peace. Hopefully have some more set up in here. I'll get all these temporary tables out of the way, get a permanent table built against that wall, and a lot more stuff cleaned out and cleared out from in here. Alright guys. I've been working on a ton of other stuff, odds and ends stuff for the last couple months. That's why you ain't really seen me. Anyways, peace. Be back soon.